So we're at Prasse, ready to take this old toilet out and put us a new one in. And let's see. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this off, and then go ahead and put the new one in. So here's the new. So we've moved the old toilet, and we're down to the flange here. Okay, so set the toilet right onto the wax seal and then to the bolts. That's lined up. Okay, let's hand tighten them first, and then we can use our extended bolts to tighten them up. Common for to be a 7/16 there. Give it a little wobble. I think we can go. I don't feel any wobble or nothing, so okay. It's about as much as we want to go with that. Okay, it's real tight. Same over here. Just trying to make sure you don't over tighten it. And you will break that porcelain. Let's make sure there's no shake. It's pretty solid. Yep. Feels good. Alright, good. Okay, that's securely on there. We'll put him on. Snugly right there. As you can see, the seal goes right into that little slot, and then we're gonna run it right through the holes of the toilet. It's lined up perfect here. See, run our bolts through and our seals. All right, so that's our little kit we're gonna put in there. Put the seals on there. And this will go on the other side. Okay. Alright, let's get these through the holes. Nice flush. Checking for leaks. No leaks. As soon as this comes back up, then we can do one more test flush. Nice and full. Okay. Perfect. Stop like it needed to. Okay. Let's give it another flush. Oh yeah. Real nice. Strong. Perfect. Checking for leaks again. Nothing. Alright. All the way around. It's flushing perfect. And you have a new toilet. Now I'm just going to put the cap or the top on and the seat, and we're done. Okay, there's a completely reinstalled brand new toilet. Looks great. Holding up perfect. Let's show you one more flush. Nice strong flush. Jets work great like they should. The other toilet the jets have been clogged up so bad it just was done. It's easier just to put a new one in and try to clean those things out when they get full of deposits and stuff. But that's how a toilet should work. Perfect.